Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to show shipping marks on the NavShip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings button. Scroll down and in the layers section you can find the fifth option, the show shipping marks. Use the cartographic material of the OpenSea map available at a specific zoom level. And if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.